from Mount of Olives. Yes, خفف شوي عشان ما ننزلش. Yes, we will stop there within the bus. يا محمد ركز معنا بالحرب احنا واقف هون من غير. We are going to have a stop. محمد واقف هون بس. Alright, so here's the panoramic view. You can see it is already jammed. We try to take left not to be stuck here for hours. So this is subhanahu wa ta'ala, this is the Isra and Mi'raj, this is the Dome of the Rock, the Golden Dome, the Black Dome, Masjid Qibli, the Old City, the Jewish tombs, etc. So this is the panoramic view from Mount of Olives. As you can see, the buses are jammed. يلا ما انت يا زلمه على الشمال يلا نخلص يعني صار زي هاي بدك بتصاحب قروع يعني خلينا نخلص لا ما بيروح لك الاسماء خابش بيروح عاد مرة الاتراك خليني ولا وصل ولا عاد ما بتسمع ولا اتصلنا في امبارح المعلمة حضرتك نص العشرة as At-Tur, a Palestinian village on top of Mount of Olives. Mount of Olives is important because it's considered where Isa alayhi salam made his ascension. We are going, as I said, starting visiting Maqam Salman al-Farisi. There's a place for wudu, those who would like to pray to. In Palestine. But why we have a shrine for Salman al-Farisi? The shrine of the shrine started during Salah ad-Din al-Ayyubi era, and it extended and during the Mamluks and the Ottomans. The maqam, it's a place where you can respect and where you can commemorate the person who lived in this area. But later on, during the Sufi sect, let me say, or movement, Arabi comes and live in this place. So the maqam is like the house of the soul of the holy person or the reverend person. We are leaving the bus in a minute, and we are not coming back to the bus. We are walking to the other maqam, and then we will go to the panorama. So we want to finish these two maqams before the jam, the traffic jam, because today is Saturday. Now Palestinians are having breakfast. In 1 hour this will be full with people wandering and shopping and etc. So we'll try to finish for the jam or the traffic jam time. Alright, so we are leaving the bus. Bring your cameras. We are still in Baitul Maqdis.